Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, and I'm back with another video. And today we got something special. As you guys remember, I tell you probably like, what are you talking about? Fizz Inc. New York, well, Fizz New York, whatever, is my clothing brand. So if you guys know, I've been actually trying to do a clothing brand for probably about a good year now, and finally went through with it. Our first drop will be on this Friday, August 23rd at 11 a.m. is probably when it's going to drop. These are just earlies. These are just earlies because I'm going to be actually vending at a local basketball tournament this weekend, and obviously I had to make them for that, but when they drop online on Friday, these ones will be excluded, most likely, because I'm hoping that these all actually sell. It would kind of suck if they don't go anywhere, but they are from Custom Ink. Just because I didn't really know where else to really do it, and all the places kind of local are kind of expensive to do it. So for first time, I just went with Custom Ink, but we got about 28 shirts. 4 of them I will be keeping, obviously, for myself. But we gotta open this guy up. He's a big guy. Obviously, all the Custom Ink logos on the box, but it's heavy, so I think I'm actually gonna set the camera up a little bit different, just so we can see, because I know what the design looks like. I know what colors I have, but I haven't seen them in person yet, obviously, with this big box right here. So let me change the camera angle up a little bit. I'm actually go downstairs because when I'm recording I can't have my air conditioner on. I left it on in my last video on accident and it was a little loud. So I think I'm actually going to take this downstairs. Alright guys, so we are set up in my living room, my couch. Have it leaning up against my TV, but we're going to go ahead and get to these. So I'm actually pretty excited to see what they look like. I know, so I got 4 colorways: black, red, blue, and like mint green. Go ahead, open this guy up. So like I said, I haven't seen anything yet, and it's not opening. So we're gonna go ahead and try from the top. There we go. Oh, it's fire! Oh my god, it's so fire! Woo! Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa! Yo! It's fire, bro! Yo! Oh my god, yo, it's so fire! Yo! Oh my god! Bro, there's mad shirts! Get the box out of here, bro. Yo. This is fire. Alright. You guys don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. Look at that. Made by me off of Custom Ink, bro. Alright. So you guys can kind of see the color, bro. The mint green is so fire. So we got red, black, blue, and mint green. I'm going to go ahead and I got to keep them folded, except for the ones I'm keeping. So I got to find my size. It's not perfect. It's looking good to me. I was worried that it wasn't going to be centered, but it looks like it's centered. Yo, these are fire. They're printed on Gildan too, but I don't care. I mess with Gildan. I haven't even seen the back yet. Yo, stacks. How am I going to do this? I'm not going to unfold the ones. I'm just going to only unfold the sizes I need. Oh, and they all come with... This one came with custom tagging. This one didn't. It does have the Custom Ink on the inside, which I don't care. And my cat's in the box. This is what she does. This is what she does every time there's a box. Alright, I'm trying to figure out what to do. Bro, the graphic is so fire, though. It came out amazing. I haven't even looked at the back yet, and I can't because my cat's in the box. So I'm gonna put all this back here for a second. Hopefully it doesn't all fall on the ground. So red small, like I said, I haven't even looked at the back yet. Red small. Alright, I'm gonna have to put her in a different room because she's going to get all over everything. Okay, perfect. Oh, she's gonna get outside. Go, 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 go! Oh, I got her. Sorry, Puff. Yeah, that's my cat's name is Puff. I don't know if I mentioned that. This is size small. So there's 2 size small reds. Gotta keep them all organized. Size medium. This is a whole adventure right now. This is fun. This was like, to make sure all this came on time, here's mine. And these are still warm too. I have to unfold these because one of these is mine. So we're gonna see the back. I'm sorry this is so far away. But we're gonna see the back of them. Yo, it's so oh baby, look at that! Yo, it's so fire. Bro, this came out amazing. Bro, the drip. Yo, this is fire. Look at that. So this is the cards tee, player die, Fizz, the cards, with a little guy, little night dude hanging out down there. Bro, this is so fire. Alright, so I'm keeping one. This one will be mine. I don't know how to fold properly, so I'm going to fold to the best of my ability. So here's the black. Same graphic. Same, the whole same thing, just different color shirt. So you got 2 small. Fire! The black goes hard. It does, bro. Ooh, the blue is fire! I'm happy. All this was 5... Sorry for putting my butt in the camera too, but all this was like $5.50-ish. Here's the blue. The blue goes hard as well. Just royal blue. Ooh, yeah. That's fire. Look at that. Amazing. Bro, I'm gonna be wearing these around all week, bro. Everyone's gonna be like, yo! Bro, if these don't sell, I'm gonna be mad, because these are fire. Bro, this green is fire, bro. I'm telling you. So in green, I got 2 small, 2 large, and 2 medium. Yeah, green I didn't get XL. Bro, I'm telling you. The green is... They're all fire, but I think green... The mint green has it. I think the mint green took this one away. Woo! Yo, the green goes hard. The green really goes crazy. That's so fire. Look at that green. Just look at that. Mint green is the fire. Bro, I'm telling you. This green is so fire. Bro. Fire. That's for sure. These are so fire. Just look at this. Just take a look. Stacks of shirts. So there's 24 shirts available for sale. I will order 28, and these 4 right here are mine. So you got red, black, blue, and mint green. Super fire. Just that graphic is popping. It looks so good. I was worried it was going to be like dull and stuff like that, but it's on there good. It feels good. I'm super excited for Saturday. I have a feeling people are actually going to really like these, and it's going to give some notice to my brand in the area. Everything will be in the description below. I'll have my Instagram, my personal Instagram, my clothing brand's Instagram, Fizz Inc. _New York on Instagram. And the website will also be in the description below. I got some stuff from my first drop that was on there. I just never made anything. It was more of a pre-order, and nothing ever sold. Obviously, because the designs weren't really there and wasn't really too active with it. But now we're making moves. We're making clothing brand moves, and I'm super excited for Saturday. But anyway, like I said, that is it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Everything will be in the description below, including my clothing brand's Instagram and the website. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below if you actually like my clothing brand, and if you think if you will cop some stuff from this drop that's going live Friday. Let me know if you, like I said, let me know what you think about my design. Do you think I did a good job on it? Could I have improved? I'm always in room for, always make room for improvement, or whatever that saying is. So, well, this light, bro. I'm out of here. See you guys in the next video. Peace.